So hello friends, myself Hemant here, and I'm bringing you this video about how to approach or prepare for NABARD Grade Mains IT officer. I'm also giving IT officer this year, so let's begin. It is only like I'm not sharing anything much here. It is only what to prepare and from where we can get it. It's a basic video here, nothing much about it. But I will be making a dedicated videos on few very important concepts that may come in the exam based on my past experiences. Okay, so let's start. First of all, just be very clear that NABARD is conducting IT exam for the very first time. I'm giving NABARD since 2016, and they weren't conducting IT. This is the first time IT exams are being conducted, so no one exactly knows how will be the questions or what exactly could become. But since the exams will be taken by IBPS, so you guys can assume that questions that came in IBPS, IT officer, SO, specialist officer exams, uh, same sort of questions could be coming here. Okay, but still no one is really very sure how can questions be coming comparatively to the generalist post. Unlike ARD and ESI section, this section is really easy for the IT guys, as you don't have to study vast and everything. Because I gave exam last year, and ARD and ESI part were really tough to clear. So IT thing is not that tough and not that vast compared to them. So hopefully it should be easy for you guys to memorize and give this exam. Okay. Now NABARD has already given the syllabus, what to read. I mean, what should be asked, what should be the syllabus to prepare. So you just go through them one by one, and you can learn those concepts because like let's say they have written like data structure through C and Pascal, so you need to go to the basic and understand the concepts. Same way introduction to software, so they can really ask anything about software. Who knows? Okay. Same way there is networking, data communications, object oriented. Interestingly, they have also put COBOL there. Hardly someone is using COBOL nowadays, but they have put. So seems like it is very old syllabus, but yeah, it could be asked. Who knows? And the most important stuffs are intelligent systems down there, then relational database and management systems, operating systems as well. Then you have computer architecture, some the parser, everything that comes inside that, lexical parser, etc. Then we have analysis and design elements of systems, so it is also very important. Basically I'll be sharing important topics with you further. So uh, now what could be the job role there at NABARD if you guys are selected as an IT officer? Basically you need to check all these topics like security analytics. You guys could be database administrator, then application development, if any they are developing into their backend, then server management, and mostly it could be database analysis. So you guys need really a good command over MySQL, Oracle, and MS SQL. What are the latest versions being used globally, Java, etc. You guys should be knowing. Like what I personally believe is like whosoever guy will have good command in database will really get good marks in this exam, as mostly questions come from this, and it is really easy to understand databases as well, and many people really like that database administrator task, backups, everything. You need to like understand, and it could be also come in the exam. Tasting, for example, it is one of the also important topics. Types of tasting, then spiral model, waterfall model, everything it could be coming. Okay. So I have just pointed out few things. I'll be bringing a dedicated video about like important topics which could come in the exams. I'll bring the videos about the same. Meanwhile, you can just prepare all this stuffs like operating system, then networking, and database, C, C++ concepts. They also ask questions about. They give questions like the syntax related to C, C++, Java, etc. Even HTML tags, XML, those things could be asked in the exams. About operating system, like process, what is process, lockdown, the deadlock stuff, then different algorithms, etc. Okay. Then the latest versions of operating systems, etc. uh, then you have networking like the OSI, the very famous OSI TCP/IP network protocols. You need to learn each and every protocol, at which layer which protocol is working. It is very important. It is still, they still really ask these stuffs. uh, Apart from that, you need to understand the concepts of router, bridge, etc. Okay, it could be asked. Then database, like they can really ask about NF forms, like 1NF, 2NF, everything related to that. Then there are many concepts in database, relational database as well. Okay, so you need to understand the basic concepts, because in IT you only need to understand the concepts, and they can make MCQs out of it. Okay. Then we have latest cyber attacks in our computers. You need to just have an eye, like just read out few current affairs related to IT. Okay, what were the recent developments into the IT? What is government developing or government releasing any portal, digital payments, etc. UPI 2.0 was released. Okay, so all these stuff comes. Then we also have AI, augmented artificial intelligence, as well as augmented reality. It could be asked. I'm not really sure if they will ask, but since it is mentioned, so just have a look and try to see various YouTube channels or Google it down. You will get the your answers there. So sources to read. What I personally felt is like your basic concept should be clear. Like if you have done engineering in computer or IT, so your basic should be very clear from that particular thing. If anyone asks you anything, you guys should be knowing. The best stuff is YouTube and Google, Wikipedia, etc. I personally never buy any such study materials or anything. I just do self study following all these free things available. Uh, just don't go for the MCQs. You need to, your concept should be clear. That's what my mindset is. If you know the concept, you can answer any kind of MCQ. Okay, so just make sure your concepts are clear. Still, we have like very few days left for the mains, so the syllabus could be completed. Just start your working. Okay. Yeah, so stay tuned on this channel. I'll be, since I am also giving IT exam this year, so I'll be making few dedicated videos that could really come into the exams. I'll try to explain the concepts, etc. Okay, and whatever stuff I found, I'll try to share with you guys. Uh, like, you guys need to understand that 100 marks would be of English descriptive. It is also very easy to clear more marks in English, and IT stuff also is easy for the IT guys. So this exam is really important. If you guys prepare it well, you guys can get through into the interviews directly. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe, as I am bringing more videos about these exams: NABARD, SEPI, then RBI and IBPS, RRB, and eventually IBPS, PO, and RRB. So I'm just trying to help you guys to get through these exams, as I'm having ample amount of experience now about how these exams. I have given many such exams. So do subscribe here, And the only thing I ask from you guys is to subscribe and like my content if you really like it, as it only motivates me. I'm currently working in a bank, and I really don't get much time to make all these stuffs, but I'm here to help you only. And like, if you subscribe and like my contents, it really motivates me and boosts my like my work here. Okay, so it just motivates me to bring more good content to you, and of course free of cost, because I don't really want anyone to buy any such courses, since every exam can be cleared free of cost. You don't really need to buy anything. Just follow this channel and many other channels as well you can find on YouTube and Google, and it can really be helpful to you. Okay, so thank you, have a good day.